I forgot my phone.
I lost my phone.
I can't find my phone.
You should check your phone.
I need money.
I save money.
I spend too much money.
I don't have enough money.
I am home.
I want to go home.
You can feel at home here.
I miss my home.
I love this food.
The food is ready.
We should order food.
I want spicy food.
I need my car.
I have to park the car.
My car broke down.
You should drive the car carefully.
I don't have time.
I need more time.
What time is it?
I am running out of time.
I have to work late.
I start work early.
I'm off work today.
I find my work stressful.
I am late for school.
I pick up the kids from school.
School starts soon.
I miss my old school.
She is my best friend.
I made a new friend.
I am meeting a friend.
You are a good friend.
I need coffee.
Let's grab coffee.
I spilled my coffee.
This coffee is too strong.
I need some water.
You should drink more water.
I'm out of water.
Please pass the water.
The weather is nice today.
I should check the weather.
I love this weather.
The weather changed suddenly.
What is the plan?
I have a plan.
We should change the plan.
The plan fell through.
I got a new job.
I lost my job.
I love my job.
I am looking for a job.
I have a meeting.
The meeting was long.
We should schedule a meeting.
I missed the meeting.
I'm busy right now.
I am too busy today.
Things got busy at work.
I've been really busy lately.
I'm so tired.
I am tired of waiting.
You look tired.
I feel tired today.
I'm getting hungry.
Are you hungry?
I'm getting hungry.
Don't shop when you're hungry.
I'm so happy for you.
That makes me happy.
I'm happy with the result.
She looks happy today.
That was easy.
You should take it easy.
It is easy for you to say.
It is not that easy.
This is really difficult.
Please don't make this difficult.
It is a difficult decision.
Life can be difficult sometimes.
Are you ready?
I am not ready yet.
You should get ready quickly.
I am almost ready.
I am so sorry.
I am sorry I'm late.
I am sorry to bother you.
I feel sorry for him.
Can I ask a question?
That is a good question.
I have a quick question.
I will answer your question.
That's a great idea.
I have no idea.
Good idea.
We should think of a new idea.
I had a long day.
It's a beautiful day.
I need a day off.
Have a good day.
I had a rough morning.
I love the morning.
See you tomorrow morning.
I woke up late this morning.
I had a bad night.
I stayed up all night.
Good night.
I work at night.
I miss my family.
I love my family.
I called my family.
We are like family.
I met new people.
Many people are here.
I like meeting people.
People are watching.
I'm reading a good book.
I finished the book.
I bought a new book.
I lost my book.
I packed my bag.
I forgot my bag.
I checked my bag.
I lost my bag.
I need my own room.
You should clean your room.
I booked a room.
I'm stuck in my room.
Please close the door.
Someone is at the door.
I locked the door.
Please open the door.
I love this city.
I moved to a new city.
This city never sleeps.
I explored the city.
I went to the store.
The store is closed.
I work at a store.
Let's go to the store.
Let's eat at this restaurant.
I booked a restaurant.
This restaurant is popular.
We tried a new restaurant.
I'm at the office.
I left the office late.
Please call the office.
I work at an office.
It's starting to rain.
I love the rain.
We got caught in the rain.
It might rain. Bring an umbrella.
I have a problem.
No problem.
We solved the problem.
That's not my problem.
I don't know the answer.
I have the answer.
Let me check the answer.
That's the wrong answer.
I sent an email.
You should check your email.
I got an email.
I forgot to reply to the email.
I love this music.
Turn up the music.
I listen to music every day.
The music is too loud.
That sounds good.
I feel good.
Good job.
This tastes good.
I feel bad.
That's too bad.
I had a bad day.
Not bad at all.
I got something new.
I need a new one.
What's new?
I started something new.
I feel old.
This is really old.
I miss the old days.
That's an old photo.
It's really hot today.
Be careful, it's hot.
I like it hot.
This coffee is too hot.
It's freezing cold.
I caught a cold.
I feel cold.
Don't let it get cold.
I'm not sure.
Are you sure?
Sure, why not? I love the weekend.
I have plans this weekend.
I worked all weekend.
Have a great weekend.
I skipped breakfast.
I'm having breakfast now.
Let's grab breakfast together.
I made breakfast this morning.
Let's have lunch.
I'm on my lunch break.
I missed lunch today.
What's for lunch?
I'm cooking dinner.
Let's have dinner together.
I made a dinner reservation.
Dinner is ready.
I missed the bus.
I'm waiting for the bus.
I take the bus to work.
The bus is late.
I missed the train.
I'm catching the train.
The train is delayed.
I take the train every day.
My computer crashed.
I need a new computer.
I'm fixing my computer.
Please turn off the computer.
I booked a table for 2.
Please set the table.
I put it on the table.
We got a table by the window.
I need to make my bed.
I'm going to bed.
I'm still in bed.
Get out of bed.
Please open the window.
I looked out the window.
Please close the window.
I sat by the window.
I need to wash my clothes.
I bought new clothes.
You should change your clothes.
I packed my clothes.
I need new shoes.
Please take off your shoes.
I lost my shoes.
These shoes hurt.
I live on this street.
Cross the street carefully.
I got lost on the street.
The street was empty.
I visited the hospital.
He's in the hospital.
I work at a hospital.
We rushed to the hospital.
Let's go to the park.
I walked in the park.
We had a picnic in the park.
I parked near the park.
I'm heading to the airport.
Pick me up at the airport.
I arrived at the airport early.
The airport was crowded.
That's a big deal.
I have big news.
This city is really big.
It's a big decision.
This room is small.
It's a small world.
I made a small mistake.
We made a small party.
This is really important.
That's an important decision.
I have an important meeting.
Family is important to me.
This is too expensive.
That restaurant is expensive.
I bought something expensive.
Rent is expensive here.
This store is cheap.
I found a cheap flight.
That looks cheap.
I like cheap and good food.
Please drive fast.
That was fast.
I need it done fast.
Time flies fast.
The internet is slow.
Please slow down.
I'm a slow reader.
The line is moving slow.
I woke up early.
I arrived early.
Let's leave early.
It's too early.
Keep your room clean.
I clean the house.
This place is clean.
Let's clean up.
I have a child.
She's raising a child.
The child is sleeping.
I was a curious child.
He's a good man.
I met a man.
The man is waiting.
He's an old man.
She's a strong woman.
I met a woman.
The woman is smiling.
She's a busy woman.
Please pull up a chair.
Sit on the chair.
I moved the chair.
The chair is broken.
The sun is shining.
I love the sun.
The sun is setting.
Stay out of the sun.
The wind is strong.
I feel the wind on my face.
The wind blew my hat off.
The wind is picking up.
I have good news.
I heard the news.
That's big news.
I watched the news.
The internet is down.
I need the internet.
I checked the internet.
I love the internet.
Let's play a game.
I love this game.
I missed the game.
We won the game.
I feel sad.
That's really sad.
Please don't be sad.
She looks sad.
I'm free tonight.
Are you free tomorrow?
Admission is free.
I have free time.
It's warm today.
I feel warm.
Wear something warm.
The soup is warm.
It's cool outside.
That's really cool.
I need something cool.
Stay cool.
That's beautiful.
You look beautiful.
What a beautiful day.
This place is beautiful.
That's nice.
You look nice.
Have a nice day.
Nice to meet you.
My hands are dirty.
This place is dirty.
I need to wash the dirty dishes.
Don't touch it, it's dirty.
I'm full.
The bus is full.
I'm full on schedule.
The tank is full.
The room is empty.
My glass is empty.
The street is empty.
I feel empty.
You're right.
That's the right answer.
Turn right.
I'll be right there.
I was wrong.
Something's wrong.
That's the wrong number.
What's wrong?
This is different.
We have different opinions.
I want something different.
It looks different now.
We think the same way.
I'll have the same.
It's always the same.
We're on the same page.
That's interesting.
I find this interesting.
It was an interesting story.
That's an interesting idea.
Thank you. That's helpful.
You've been really helpful.
That was very helpful.
She's always helpful.
I want to eat healthy.
Stay healthy.
That's a healthy choice.
He looks healthy.